What's up, YouTube? It's Zaris again. I just wanted to do a little quick unboxing. I just got back from Cabela's and I purchased this shotgun. I've been looking for a shotgun for a long time, and I've been doing some research online, and it was either the Remington 870, the Mossberg 500, or the Benelli Nova. I looked at all three at the store, and even the Mossberg 535 series, the 3.5 chamber series of the Mossberg 500 was on sale. But honestly, it was hands down the Benelli. Anyway, so let's open this bad boy up. So they didn't have one in stock, so I got the counter one, the model. So let's open this up. So what do we have here? We have, of course, wow, their owner's manual is pretty amazing. It's nice graphics and everything like that. Wow, it's got pictures and stuff. That's awesome. So that's cool. And I believe these are the chokes. Yeah. I'm not sure what this is. What is this? I'm not too sure what this is. I think it has to do something. I'm not sure. I believe that the other choke, there's supposed to be more. There should be more. Anyway, let's open this guy up and see what's over here. Here's the barrel. I'd have to assemble it. I believe the other chokes are inside the barrel. I have to check. It's all nice and beautiful. So here's the and yeah, there's a choke inside, if you can see, already in there, because this was the store model. Yes, and here's the other choke. So there's three of them, all right. Two here, one in the tube, and we have the rest. We have the stock here. Beautiful. I opted going for the Benelli Nova. I was looking at the Benelli Supernova, the upgraded version of the Benelli Nova, and it was like $100-$200 more. And the only thing I really found was the stock, the butt stock was upgraded, and also the trigger guard was also upgraded, and that was it. And for me, at my budget, I didn't feel it was worth getting the upgrade. Like, I can get another $150 worth of ammo or something with it, so I just got the Benelli Nova. Here we are. I just installed I just assembled it. Basically, you just put the barrel into the housing at the stock, and then screw this guy on. Well, you take this off, put the barrel onto the stock, put this back on. It snaps in place really well. I did it in like under 2 minutes. And you have it. This is my brand new Benelli Nova 12 gauge pump shotgun.
Sabar, sabar, sabar dan tunggu. Itu jawaban yang kami terima. Ternyata kita harus ke jalan.
Alright, YouTube. This is once again Zaris. Thanks for watching.